how to remove someone from your Meta Business Suite. So this can be useful if you want to remove someone's access from your Facebook page or Instagram account. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but you can also do this on mobile as well. So first thing we need to do is load up an internet browser, and in the address bar type in business.facebook.com and press enter. Now over on the top left hand side, click on the drop down arrow, and you need to select the business portfolio and the business asset that you want to remove this person from. Now once you have the page selected like this, come over to the left hand side and click on settings. You can then click on people from the left hand side, and here you'll find all of the people with access to your Meta Business Suite. So to go and remove someone, just click on the 3 horizontal dots next to their name. You can then press remove from business portfolio, and then just go and press remove. Now once you've done this, this will remove their access, including Facebook pages and also Instagram profiles as well.